What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Soundcore Life Q45 headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin resetting the headphones, you're going to find your power button right here and your volume up button on the other side. And you're going to press and hold for 5 seconds until the LED light right here turns red and it flashes red 3 times. So let's take a look, and there we go. The headphones is reset. So this was my video on how to reset the Soundcore Life Q45 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.